morning, guys. It is our first day in Hoi An. We're about to go to a silk factory. And then after that, we're doing like a bike tour. We'll update later. Tell Vloggy what we're doing today.
So we're getting suits. Depending on quality, you might, spend like about what, $90-something to about, I don't know. I'm already at like my $800, maybe $900 already. I'm not spending $1,500 for Men's Warehouse, not doing that shit.
I'm gonna get 2 dresses made for myself. I am so excited. Guys, what are we thinking?
And we put together.
Oh my goodness. The purple is really pretty.
Yes. Because your skin, you're white, but a little bit white and purple.
Yeah,
nicer.
I'm very pale.
Yes.
Okay, so a lot of people in our group just got like dresses, shirts, suits tailored and made just for them, and we're getting them tomorrow night. And you got a dress.
I got pants and a dress, yeah.
And yes, we're at Yali in Hoi An. Okay, currently we're taking a bike tour around Hoi An, and we're taking off. Wait, is that a water buffalo?
Yes. So fresh. That chicken is also really good.
Yeah.
What'd you say? Yeah.
Ooh, you know girl? You can do like this. You can be a sexy farmer if you want. You girls, you can be a sexy farmer. Oh, wow.
A man of many talents.
You better tend to
The salad, we check out the seafood. You can see here.
All of it down. Yes. Yes.
This is round 2 of sushi because
It's like you versus me. Listen, I'm a takeout girl.
Hey Vloggy. So Vloggy died yesterday, so I need to update. Yeah, we walked around Hoi An a little bit. So basically we like met up at the I guess the restaurant, and then we took a boat ride to the cooking school and learned how to cook all these different dishes. Like they literally gave us like this sheet of like all these recipes and like instructions, and like we made like 5 different things, and then we got to eat all of it. And after that we came back to the hotel and got ready and went out for one of the girls' birthdays and got in super late last night. So fast forward to today. It is now 8 a.m. We're going fishing with some local guides, and then after that we are catching a flight from Hoi An to Ho Chi Minh City. So another travel day, but are you gonna do the spinny thing?
We're gonna get fucked up. It's a remix.
Okay, we have arrived in Ho Chi Minh City, and this is our little room. It's cute and comfy. We're a little...
It's a little snug.
Hey Vloggy, what it do?
The way I just ordered Popeyes, y'all, on Grab. Hi, yes. Thank you. Morning vloggy. Today is our first official day in Ho Chi Minh City and we are going on a little river delta cruise. Thank you, Hi. Hi gives us water every single morning. Oh yeah, we gotta do haul. Okay, guys, if you don't know, Circle K is my favorite store. So I saw Circle K this morning, obviously had to go in. On sleigh. Potato chips. Why not? Coffee.
We love. Naturally.
I wanted a Coke Zero, but I was still in a diet shirt. Cheers. And then this. It's like an M&M's chocolate bar.
That's really good.
I know, I'm about to eat it. Okay, there's my Circle K haul. Thanks for watching. Woo! At this market in a local village outside of Ho Chi Minh City, and it's like all covered with like tents and stuff. It's also like 95 degrees here right now, so it's really, really, really hot. Yeah, I see the fish. I'm unwell. I'm okay. We're on our little river excursion.
Imagine if she did.
We're about to get in these boats.
Randomly like trying to tire myself when she live in Arkansas.
She said, Texas.
Very cool.
So we
Oh, that's good. So we just got done with lunch and now we're just gonna head back to the hotel, which is gonna take like 2+ hours. We just got woken up for a rest stop. I'm half asleep. There are places on me right now. I should not be sweating. TikTok haul.
These koala thingies.
Cheddar chips, of course. I know I saw these and immediately thought Japan. Chocolate koalas. We had a lot of these in Japan.
But I was looking.
Paris got a Coke for Huge.
You got these again? Oh my god, I didn't even see these.
I know. Peanut M&M's. Literally my favorite. Okay, a thing with buying these here is that they don't have all of the bullshit we have in America, you know, like the red 40.
The food dye or whatever.
Yeah. So I'm gonna open these and show y'all because they're not the same color as they are in America because they use natural ingredients here. See how they look different? Like that's like the yellow. In America, it's like neon yellow. Go back to the hotel, and we have about an hour to spare. We're gonna do like a little dinner tonight. I gotta charge my phone, bro. Honestly, if you don't get ready listening to Hannah Montana, like
what are you doing?
what do you do? Smooth talking, so rocking. He's got everything that a girl's want. We are downtown Ho Chi Minh City eating dinner under Landmark 81.
yeah, landmark 81. Yeah,
Landmark 81.
landmark 81. Yeah.
Look at that building, guys.
Rồi quá hay luôn. Một, hai,
Ba. Yo.
Cheers. I can do it too.
I'll be your
I need a
tripod.
picture of he squared and
She does not let our cup go empty. Look.
I'm gonna use it
Doesn't let it go empty. Good morning, vloggies. So we are at Highlands Coffee right now, and we're about to go to the Coochie Tunnels. Thank you. I think Starbucks has some competition.
Oh. That's all in his hair.
Oh my god, where did Greggy go?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I just covered myself. It's like glitter, but you know.
Oops. We're at the Coochie Tunnels and Paris is getting in the booby trap.
Trap and
I'm with trap, rolling trap.
Okay.
The way those spikes just like dig into you. Oh, imagine falling into that one. Okay, me and Paris are here and we're about to shoot on the range. What just happened? Oh my god. That was scary. Lead the way. Oh gosh, okay. Oh my god, I'm already sweating. We have to crawl. We're in the fighting bunkers right now. And I'm pretty sure we have to crawl.
Oh, you can crouch. You can crouch too. Keeps going now.
Oh, does it? Hold on, sorry.
Yeah.
Paris, I don't know about this. We did it! We did it! So tonight is our last night in Ho Chi Minh City and everyone is leaving in the morning, so we are going to our farewell dinner. Everyone is looking spiffy. Like it's not even fair.
Yeah, it's not even fair. And you don't even have to try. You just show up. Like,
So the farewell dinner has come to an end. So sad. I don't want to go home. Actually, I do want to go home, but I don't want to go back to work. Side up. She's eating the dessert still. What was your favorite part from Voyage to Vietnam? Sapa? Yeah. Yeah, I really like that town. It was like so much fun exploring the villages. Okay, Karina, what was your favorite from Vietnam?
How long Bay was my favorite.
Yeah, we stayed on a boat.
Yeah, and the rooms were like
I would just like to take this opportunity to thank Hoi for this amazing experience from Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City. Hoi has been there supporting us through this amazing journey throughout the country, the beautiful country of Vietnam. Thanks to him, we have had the opportunity to experience the vast natural and cultural wonders that this country has to offer, including, but not limited to, the kayaking through Ha Long Bay and the Vietnamese cooking class. These shared once-in-a-lifetime experiences have formed a strong bond between all of us that can and will stand the test of time and distance. So let us all raise a glass and shake our ass to high.
This is literally always the worst part of the trip is like, ugh, packing up everything. It literally sucks. We are leaving Tokyo.
We are leaving. We're
I know.
leaving for Tokyo.
I'm
That
dead.
is, yeah, that's why you don't have any sleep. That's why.
We are leaving Vietnam. We're
Yeah,
heading to
she
Tokyo.
hasn't slept at all, so I don't blame her.
I'm not ready for this 28-hour travel day. Like, I just can't. It's been Wednesday the 28th for me for more than 24 hours. So I'm officially over today and I'm ready to be back in bed. My bed. I have one more flight, 2-hour flight to Atlanta, hour and a half ride home, and that will conclude my 36-hour travel day.